Hey guys, welcome to TechSolvlog YouTube channel. This is me Rahul, and today we got an CHOETECH wall charger, which is an USB Type-C connector with 18 watts fast charging support. This product is priced around $20 or 1300 Indian rupees. If you want to buy this, I have provided a link in the description below along with an coupon code that helps you to get 20% extra discount. So now, without wasting any time, let's quickly unbox it and try it. So here we go. This is the packaging. It looks pretty simple. Over the back of the packaging, there is some specifications of the product mentioned that we will discuss it later in this video. And this is the scratch sticker that helps to verify the originality of the product. The important thing here, it is mentioned that it has 18 months warranty, which is a good thing. Now let's open the box and see what all the things that we get inside the box. After opening the box, the first thing we see is the adapter itself, which is sealed in a plastic packaging. So this is an Indian type plug. And over here is a USB Type-C port to connect the cable. For now, let's keep it aside and see what other things we get inside the box. So this is the USB Type-C to Type-C connector cable, which is around 1 meter in size. The packaging also includes an user manual to know more about the product. And along with it, there is an warranty card as well. Now coming back to the adapter, the design of it looks premium with a glossy shiny finish, and the plastic used here is of good quality that makes it feel strong while folding it. This adapter is a bit heavier, which I think due to its quality. The CHOETECH branding is mentioned on the front, while over the side there is a specifications of the adapter mentioned that says the adapter takes the input of AC 100 to 240 volts and the output is 5 volts 3 amps or 9 volts 2 amps or a 12 volts 1.5 amps. The USB Type-C cable that we get inside the box is quite thick and is made up of good quality that can last for a longer period of time. Now let's try it out this adapter with the smartphone and we'll see how well it performs. Here I have with me the Xiaomi's Poco F1 smartphone that has a Type-C port. So now let's connect the charger with the smartphone. As you can see, the phone has started fast charging. So right now the battery percentage is 81%. Let's see after 5 minutes how much does it charge. So we are here after 5 minutes. As you can see, the battery percentage is now 89%. That means this adapter has charged over 8% of battery in just 5 minutes. So after seeing this, I can say this CHOETECH charger charges the phone quickly, and after 100% of charging the phone, this adapter doesn't get heated up. This is due to its built-in technology that protects the charger. Nowadays, we see lot of phones comes with a huge battery, but some companies lack to provide a fast charger. So in this case, I can say that at this price point, you can consider this CHOETECH 18 watts Type-C adapter for your smartphone, as it is compatible with all the other smartphones that has a Type-C connectivity. If you want to get this CHOETECH 18 watts Type-C wall charger, you can get it from the link in the description below. And you can also get extra 20% discount, for which I have provided a coupon code below. So guys, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. This is me Rahul signing off and hope to see you guys in our next video.